Hey everyone, Dan O'Halloran here with another Ultra 1K update. Today we're at Platinum Sponsor Relaxing Company's location on Main Street in Newport, New Hampshire. Relaxing Company has been an amazing supporter of ours from the very beginning, and we couldn't do what we do to support our community without supporters like them and race participants like you guys. So what is Relaxing Company? Pretty much you have a need of anything at all, Relaxing Company can find that solution. They will clean your house, they will manage your short-term rental, they will do construction projects, they will do your gardening, so your plowing, you name it, you have a problem, they can find the solution. You even need your fridge stocked before you show up for the weekend's fun on the lake, they will stock your fridge for you. So sky's the limit on what they can provide, and it's an amazing company, and we're so proud to have them support us yet again for the Ultra 1K. So getting back to that, the Ultra 1K supports our food pantries. We raised over $22,000 this year. The food pantries that we're supporting is the Newport Food Pantry, the Warner Food Pantry, and the Kearsarge Lake Sunapee Community Food Pantry. Collectively, those three pantries support 24 towns in our region, and the need is great, and our supporters are stepping up and making it all happen. So this is a wrap for the Ultra 1K sponsor update, and I really appreciate everyone for tuning in. If you want to learn more or how to participate for next year, go to ultra1k.com, and we'll catch you next time.